And welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. JFF President Michael Ricketts says they have been left surprised at the letter posted by the Reggae Girlz on social media pages on Thursday, describing their utmost disappointment with the federation. The players say they have met with the federation to express their concerns over subpar planning, transportation, accommodation, training conditions, compensation, nutrition, and access to proper resources. The players also say they have repeatedly shown up without contractually agreeing on compensation, and that timeline for those payments have been missed. Also missed FIFA windows and confusion over pre-World Cup camp have also angered the players. The players ended the release by stating their commitment to representing Jamaica at the FIFA World Cup. Ricketts has described the incident as unfortunate, noting that they spoke as a unit recently.
That was provided. They wanted extra number of tickets for game. We had actually committed to that. There were some funds that were outstanding, and we made a commitment that the reimbursables we were in a position to pay. Today I spoke with Jensen, and he updated me on that, and he did say that we had paid as much as all those claims that were substantiated. They also requested that when they're playing home games, that they walk out with the girls.
The girls also lamented their World Cup preparation, including practice matches or lack thereof, but Ricketts says the federation has been trying to get them friendly matches.
We had actually tied up a game with Colombia. The day that we planned the game for would have been June 25. That day, the stadium, Norman Bay facility, would have been available. So we looked at an alternative, which was June 29. The coach did say that he would rather have a camp because he wants the girl to take a break and then go home, then go straight down to Amsterdam, where we are now trying to get a game. I've tied up a game with Morocco in Australia.
The Reggae Girlz have been drawn in Group F at the FIFA World Cup alongside France, Brazil and fellow CONCACAF team Panama at the tournament scheduled for July 20 to August 20. Real Madrid's Brazilian international Vinicius Jr. will lead a special FIFA anti-racism committee made up of players who will suggest stricter punishment for discriminatory behavior in football. This according to FIFA President Gianni Infantino. Vinicius Jr. was racially abused by fans when Madrid played Valencia last month, the 10th such incident involving the 22-year-old that La Liga has reported to prosecutors this season. La Liga and the Spanish FA, the country's top football authorities, are under pressure to do more to combat racism after Vinicius Jr. received support from across the world following the abuse he suffered in Valencia. Back home now, early leaders Our Lady of the Angels remain out front on day 2 of the GISA National Prep Schools Track and Field Championships being contested at the National Stadium. The Malines Road-based school now lead the standings with 23 points after 3 finals. Mona Prep and defending champions Manuel Christian Academy are tied in second place on 15 points. Heidel with 13 and Vaz Prep 10 points round out the top 5 so far. Francesca Heron won the Class 2 girls long jump this morning with a leap of 4.03 meters. Maya Campbell of Stella Maris at 3.95 meters was second, and Alana Thompson of St. Teresa Prep third with 3.81 meters. In the 2 finals completed yesterday, Jordan Burke of Our Lady of the Angels won the Class 2 boys high jump with a personal best of 1.35 meters to better his third-place finish last year, while Isabella Martin of Mona Prep took the Class 2 girls high jump with 1.20 meters, the same distance as second-place Madison Small of Our Lady of the Angels. A total of 9 finals are slated for today. And that's where we leave the track for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.